Precious Metals IRA Keys: How to invest in gold and silver. Investments in gold can come in a variety of formats, ranging from ETFs to mining stocks. However, investing your resources into physical bullion through a precious metals IRA is the most secure and most proficient system for any investor that is concerned about political instability, inflation, and the economy in general. You should hold physical gold and not paper gold in your precious metals IRA. If your IRA holdings are comprised entirely of paper resources, whether it be gold ETFs or mutual funds, you are at risk not to have access to the actual value of your paper assets. Your 401k and IRA are at risk without a precious metals IRA. A precious metals IRA is the perfect retirement planning vehicle for protection during an economic crisis. If you own paper gold at a major financial institution, how can you be safe from major collapses? Subsequent to the cancellation of the Glass-Steagall Act, financial institutions can take risk with the assets of their clients. This in part contributed greatly to the economic meltdown of 2008, resulting in losses by the billions for JP Morgan in 2012. What is a precious metals IRA and physical gold IRA? While the majority of the IRA caretakers don't permit physical gold or different valuable metals to be held in an IRA, a specific kind of IRA, known as a precious metals IRA or gold IRA, allows an investor to hold in their IRA IRS-approved valuable metals such as specific types of platinum, silver, gold, and palladium coins and bars. Request your free guide now by clicking on the link below to learn more about how a gold IRA can foolproof your retirement and unlock huge potential.